Hi, nursing students, aspiring nurses, new nurses, any nurse. I want to talk about traumatic brain injuries and CVAs. This stuff is very interesting and you will see this in your practice. A traumatic brain injury can sometimes present as looking like a stroke. Someone that may not know that a person has had a traumatic brain injury might think that they had a CVA. There was someone that I worked with another nurse. She thought the lady had had a stroke, but no, she had a TBI, traumatic brain injury. Traumatic brain injuries are very interesting. They affect each person that suffers from them differently. Like this one particular lady, she would cry like a little child over every little thing. As you become an adult, you don't tend to cry over every little thing, but because her brain was injured, she was probably more like of a childlike state, so every little thing made her cry. They also can vomit very easily. Remember, the brain controls vomiting, so if something's happening, you've had an injury, you could vomit more easier than you would have before you had the traumatic brain injury. One thing about strokes that's interesting, I had a patient 4 years ago, she had a CVA, and it presented as a dementia-like state. Very interesting.